Some say, hey, you're always just talking about what's wrong or what's broke. Well, yeah, we're trying to get up to 100%. If we were here talking about the things I loved, we'd be here for 8 hours. So it's dynamite boat. I'd buy another Sportsman tomorrow if they had the TE with the Seakeeper ride. Dealer's been great. We are very grateful for what we got, boat and truck. We're just trying to get to that perfection level. So enjoy, stay in touch. Interesting day fishing today. We went out nice and early, 6 in the morning. Got on the water a little rough. Boat's 2 years and 1 month old. So I just want to give you a little update of where we're at and what we're doing. We are still chasing around a leak. We're still chasing around a leak under in here in the head that is somewhere over in here from when we wash the boat. It goes down in here and gets over there. The top is caulked perfectly. It's sealed it off, so it stopped most of it, but we're still getting that. So we're out on the water, and the joystick, we get a joystick error, offline, check with dealer, non-critical. So that was going off, just beepers and bells and whistles, warning you about that. And it kept coming up on the vessel view, so we kept ignoring it. As we're ignoring that, on my Seakeeper, I kind of go over to that, see why didn't seem like it's really working, and I get an error on that saying that there is an error that has to be looked at by the dealer. So, and then now it's not even pulling up on it. So we had the Seakeeper was off over there, and the joystick was also off over there that we had to do. Then the other day I come in here and I'm got drips of water coming down from here, leaking onto here. So we're still chasing a leak up top somewhere from either the radar hole, either from where the radar goes through, or on whatever that little thing in there that detects or whatever like that. So we're still getting water in there because we went out bright and early, and when I did, I had no red light on this side, but I had a docking light, and on this side, no docking light, and the faintest, greenest light you ever saw, just barely enough. So I'm thinking with all that water moving around over there over the last 2 years, something is corroded. So I haven't taken it to the dealer yet, but something up there is corroded, or down, maybe down up in here. We already had to change the NEMA one time because it was corroded. But I'm guessing something's corroding up there. It's from that leak getting down from the T-top or down over in here. So a little frustrating this morning when I'm out there 6 in the morning on the water, and I don't have my nav lights to head off. Then all of a sudden I lose my joystick, and then I lose my Seakeeper because it was rough as all can be today. So that's where we stand with that. It's still kind of, I don't think there's been a day that I've had everything working on the boat. Now, I've never used the bait wells. Never used the bait wells. I turned them on when I got it, filled them up. Well, about a year ago, this one stopped working. Kind of looked to play with it, not an airlock or anything. So that didn't work. I go, hey, I got the other side. It doesn't really matter. Well, guess what happened last month when I started to use this one? Tried to use it. It turns on for 2 seconds and turns off. I'm thinking it's some sort of airlock or something. I tried to jam some water in there. That didn't really work. I'm not #1 ace mechanic, but we'll have to see on that. So both bait wells are down. That's a little frustrating. Now, if you remember, very early on, the bottom of the Mercury lower unit was peeling. So they took it off and they repainted it. They said that Mercury wasn't sealing them very well and everything. Well, look what we got. They said they weren't prepping it very well. So look what we got going on here. So that's coming back off. It's coming back off. Where is it? up in here from where the paint was from when they were doing it, you know? So, and guess what's happening here where it wasn't painted? That's coming off. This is how it all started. It all started right on the pickup here, and it's starting to come off. And guess what on this side, huh? Hello, friends. We are black and coming off and peeling off the paint. All up in there and up in there. And if you remember from before, I got that corrosion starting here. Corrosion starting here. Got some corrosion up in here. And I'm sorry, it's back over in this way too. Got corrosion starting here. So, man, it's 2 years in. How the heck? I got a long way to go with this thing. I got another 10 years on it until I even getting close to start paying off any principal on it. So the motor's got to last. It's got to do something. I was thinking about getting extended warranty on it. It's $9,000 a motor. $9,000 a motor for extended warranty for 7 years. I wonder if that covers corrosion or not. But, you know, it's hard to put that money back into it. But if this is going to keep on going, and these things are babied. You know how anal I am with this stuff. Rinsing it, salt off, washing it. So that's where we're at with the update on everything now. Everything was just waxed last week. But if we're going to keep going out, you know, you can hear I'm a little excited. A little excited to get all that going on. So I don't know where we're at today with her. So that's the story. We're going to wash her up real good. Gonna take her down to the dealer next week and see what we can do, where we're at, where we stand. We'll just have to see. I'm holding my thoughts and everything until we determine what's wrong with it. So thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you posted on what I find out.